Hi everyone. Today we are going to learn about some special kind of curve. Okay, so I'll not tell you the name right now. Let's see how many of you can guess it right. So you must have seen a curve wheel or your favorite foot like pizza and a donut or the moon on its full moon day. Yes. Now you must have guessed the shape, right? So the chapter we are going to do today is circles. So let's try to draw a circle. No, that's not a perfect circle. Let's try again. Why I'm not able to do? So now I think I should try something else. Let's try some other ways. Now I'll take one fixed point, say O, and draw a circle around it. Okay, wow, there's a circle. And this fixed point is known as center of the circle. The length of the boundary of a circle is circumference. We can measure the circumference of a circle using a thread. As you can see here in the picture, the thread is used to measure the circumference, and then with a scale we can measure the circumference. Okay, let's draw a line from center to the boundary. This is just the line joining the center of the circle to the boundary of the circle. Let's see what happens when we rotate it. Okay, it's like the hand of a clock, right? And it fits in the circle throughout. It means this line segment remain constant for the circle. And this line segment is known as radius of the circle. Now let's look the definition of circle. A circle is the collection of all those points in a plane whose distance from a fixed point remain constant. The fixed point is called the center of the circle, and the constant distance is known as the radius of the circle. As length is same, what if I flip it on the other side too? What we get is a line segment passing through the center of the circle. This is diameter. As you can clearly see, diameter is twice of radius. Now I'm going to move the diameter a little down. Okay, what happens? Nothing, but the length of the diameter has changed. It means it is less than it was before. And now it's also get its new name, which is chord. And this is the chord of the circle. Now just have a look at this. The top half, which I have shaded with red, is a part of the circle which is bigger in size. And the green part of the portion, which is not colored, is the smaller part of the circle. The bigger part is known as major segment, and the smaller part is known as minor segment. Now, can you tell me in how many parts the circle is divided? Yes, the circle is divided into two equal parts, and each part is known as semicircle. The upper part is one semicircle and the below part is the other semicircle. Now, just stretch the chord from both the sides. What we get is a line passing through a circle and intersecting the circle at 2 points. This is called secant of the circle. Now, we will be learning about different term, which is an arc. If we take any part of the circle, it is called an arc of the circle. Here, we can see that arc of the circle is greater than the semicircle. It's a major arc. So your ACB is a major arc and is denoted as ACB with an arc symbol on the top. And here you can see that on the other hand, if the arc of the circle is less than a semicircle, it is called minor arc. Now what I'm going to do is to draw one circle. So here is the fixed point, which is O, and here is the circle. So let's take one radius and second radius. So the part of the circle which is between these two radii is known as the sector of the circle. So if the sector of the circle is formed by a major arc, it is called major sector, and if this sector is formed by a minor arc, it is called minor sector. So here you can see the minor sector and the major sector of the circle. Let's see something different. Here is one circle, and here is second circle, and here the third circle. So if two or more circles with the same center, they are known as concentric circles. Now we'll be seeing the constructions work, that is how to draw a circle when radius is given. So first let's see what are the things required. We need a ruler, we need pencil, eraser in case we need it, pair of compasses. So let's start. So if we have to construct a circle of radius 10 cm, first step is to mark a point O on a sheet of paper where circle is to be drawn. Second step, draw a line segment of 10 cm using ruler and pencil. Step 3, take a pair of compasses and measure 10 cm. Step 4, without disturbing the opening of compasses, keep the needle at O and draw a complete arc holding the compasses from its knob. So after completing one complete round, we get the desired result. So here's the circle with 10 cm radius. I hope everything is clear. Thank you.